Kids Zone with Trishy. Hello friends, today we're going to read a story called Bee Dance. When sunlight warms your honeybee wings, off you go on flower patrol. Follow a sweet scent floating on air to find a honeybee gold mine. A prairie in bloom. Sip sugary nectar with your bendy straw tongue. Yum! Race home. Bzzz. Climb the beeswax comb. Excitement buzzes all around. Bzzz. The other bees know that you have news. Do the waggle dance, honeybee. Make a figure 8. Twirl in a circle. Wag your body up the middle run. Then twirl around the other side. Bzz, bzz, bzz. Waggle faster, honeybee. Buzz louder. Bzz. Your dance points the way to the prairie. How long you waggle your body tells the others how far to go. Now the bees know just where to fly. Bzzz. Soon they see flowers reaching toward the sky. Go to work, forager bees. Collect nectar to make honey. Stuff pollen into baskets on your hind legs. Stay out late. Carry your heavy prize back to the hive. Bzzz. The last glow of sunset lights the way home. Unload your cargo and store it in the combs. Then settle in for the night. When you wake up, warm your honeybee wings in the morning sun and dance the prairie jitterbug once again. The end. Do you want to sing our bumblebee song? Can you say yes? Yes, good job. Ready? I'm bringing home a baby bumblebee. Won't my mama be so proud of me? I'm bringing home a baby bumblebee. Ow! It stung me. I'm squishing up my baby bumblebee. Won't my mama be so proud of me? I'm squishing up my baby bumblebee. Ooh, it's all over me. I'm wiping out my baby bumblebee. Won't my mama be so proud of me? I'm wiping out my baby bumblebee. Ooh, it's all over me. What are we doing? We're cleaning it up. I'm cleaning up my baby bumblebee. Won't my mama be so proud of me? I'm cleaning up my baby bumblebee. All clean.